Enjoy cozy outdoor moments with warmth designed for patios, balconies, and small gatherings, delivering efficient heat, stylish design, and dependable performance for year-round comfort. Best tabletop patio heater solutions elevate ambiance while providing safe, portable, and consistent heating outdoors. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Hiland HLD032 Patio Heater. The Hiland HLD032 Patio Heater is a compact yet effective heating solution designed for small outdoor spaces, such as patios, balconies, and seating areas. Standing 38 inches tall, it delivers a steady heat output of 11,000 BTUs, providing comfortable warmth during cool evenings without overwhelming the space. The hammered bronze powder-coated finish gives it a classic, durable look that blends well with most outdoor decor, while also resisting wear from outdoor use. Powered by propane or butane, this heater is easy to operate and convenient for portable use. A built-in weight plate enhances stability, helping the unit remain secure during operation. One of the standout advantages of this heater is the strong customer support behind it, including a 1-year warranty against manufacturer defects and easy access to replacement parts through a dedicated service center. This adds long-term value and peace of mind. Overall, the Hiland HLD032 is a reliable and stylish patio heater for users who want dependable warmth, compact size, and solid after-sales support.
Number 2. East Oak 1500 Watt Patio Heater. The East Oak 1500 Watt Patio Heater combines modern design with smart functionality, making it an excellent choice for contemporary outdoor spaces. Its unique table lamp shape allows for 360-degree heat distribution, ensuring even warmth for everyone around it. The carbon fiber heating element offers a long lifespan of up to 8,000 hours, making it both efficient and durable. With 3 adjustable heat settings and a 24-hour timer, users can easily customize warmth based on weather and preference. Operation is simple thanks to touch controls and an included remote, while the clear LED display enhances usability. A standout feature is the built-in USB charging port, allowing you to charge phones or devices while staying warm outdoors. Designed for safety and durability, it features an IP65 waterproof and dustproof rating, a stable anti-slip base, and ETL/UL certifications. Overall, the East Oak Patio Heater is a well-rounded option offering comfort, convenience, and safety in one stylish unit. Number 3. Housewise 8-inch Patio Heater. The Housewise 8-inch Patio Heater is a compact and versatile tabletop heating option that doubles as a mini fire pit. Designed for portability, it is ideal for patios, balconies, camping trips, or outdoor gatherings where space is limited. This heater supports dual fuel options, allowing users to burn either wood or pellets depending on preference and availability. Its smokeless design creates a cozy ambiance without irritating smoke, making it comfortable for close seating and entertaining. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive warmth and visual appeal, adding both function and atmosphere to outdoor settings. The lightweight, portable build makes setup quick and effortless, while its sturdy construction ensures reliable performance. Whether used as a small pellet heater or a decorative tabletop fire pit, it adapts easily to different outdoor needs. Overall, the Housewise 8-inch patio heater is an excellent choice for those seeking portability, flexibility, and stylish warmth in a compact form.
Number 4. Mr. Heater Patio Heater. The Mr. Heater Patio Heater is a practical and portable heating solution designed for targeted outdoor warmth. With an adjustable heat output ranging from 8,000 to 11,000 BTUs, it allows users to control the level of heat based on comfort and conditions. Capable of heating areas up to 275 square feet, it works well for patios, decks, and small outdoor seating spaces. The unit runs on a standard 1-pound propane tank, making it convenient for short-term use, tailgating, or camping scenarios. Its compact design ensures easy placement and transport, while simple controls make operation straightforward. With up to 2 hours of runtime per tank, it is best suited for brief outdoor use rather than extended heating sessions. Overall, the Mr. Heater Patio Heater is a dependable option for users who want adjustable warmth, portability, and simple propane-powered operation for smaller outdoor areas.
Number 5. Generic Pyramid Patio Heater. The generic pyramid patio heater offers a stylish and visually appealing way to add warmth to outdoor spaces. Standing 39 inches tall, it features a quartz glass tube design that creates an attractive flame effect while delivering 9,500 BTUs of heat. The hammered bronze finish enhances its elegant appearance, making it a great addition to patios and outdoor seating areas. Powered by propane, it typically uses a 1-pound tank that provides up to 2 to 3 hours of heat on high, with the option to connect to a larger 20-pound tank using an adapter hose for extended use. Electronic ignition allows for easy startup, while built-in safety features such as a thermocouple and anti-tilt protection add peace of mind during operation. Compact yet functional, this heater balances style, safety, and performance. Overall, it is a solid choice for those seeking decorative warmth with reliable heating output.
A quality tabletop patio heater adds comfort, extends outdoor use, and enhances your space without complexity. With reliable heat output, compact sizing, and elegant design, it becomes a practical addition for evenings outdoors, casual gatherings, or quiet moments, ensuring warmth, convenience, and lasting value.